If you want to create character, we have a tool, AI character design. It's very easy. You prompt something here, you tell the PromeAI what you want exactly, and it creates a new character, something like this for you. So first, for example, I write something as a crazy Gale doctor with a red eye, a saw in your hand, and with a witch's hat, wearing that, and paste that with a pink dress. Style, you can choose a style: photography, anime, 3D, exactly created 3D, something like that. Unique, concept art, illustration. I like 3D, something like this, 3D character or isometric or clay. In which scene do you want to be? Oh, it means game character, the character type, dragon. It's a Gale, so I tell it's a Gale. So just character style. Which style do you want to cartoony? But I make it 3D. You can see it. Need to see perspective. You can control the camera, but I think it's because it's a 3D. We don't have a perspective. Negative prompt. What do you want to exactly not in your scene? You can choose it. Artistry, if you want to make it more artistic or not. Here you can change your ratio, which ratio do you want, and the number of image that you want to generate. Just two of them with this crazy Gale doctor with a saw in her hand. Let's see what happened. Nice. Interesting. So I like it and publish. Nothing. And enhance it and rest generate. It's had a lot of other because I think because of this saw in your hand, they cannot publish it. Always law, always law. Okay, I think we can publish that. Okay, so you can write anything that you want here. For example, let's see what's happened here. We can just simple cowboy. 3D character. Let's generate that. Yeah, interesting. Cowboy. Publish it. I don't know what was that problem. Okay, so you can type anything and, for example, enhance it. From cowboy with the thick and the red cap. Oh, it's had lots of things to that, and let's see what happened when we enhance. It adds a lot of word to your cowboy. Wow, interesting. We now publish it that. So this tool is very powerful, and you can type anything and create lots of things. For example, let's character style, make it something like that, and generate again a different style. You can experiment by yourself and see what happens if you type character. Yeah, it's making another animal cowboy. make sure about the scene. We have a lots of thing, for example, this. Be careful of your coins. Wow. Nice. You can see this image is new. It's only for you, the character AI creating for you. Interesting. I like them. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy it. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.